Hey guys, welcome back. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing how I clean my kitchen. I love these type of videos because they are always very good motivation to you start cleaning around the house. And I hope this video can be a good motivation for you to start cleaning your kitchen or any other place in your house. My kitchen is pretty messy right now. I have stuff from last night. I was very lazy, very tired to do it last night, which I don't like to do that because I love to wake up in the morning and have my kitchen nice and clean to start my breakfast, but it didn't happen last night. So I think it's a good motivation or good excuse to me doing this video for you guys. And yes, I decided to do it, and it's exciting because I can wait to see my kitchen very clean. And I actually have stuff from this morning too, so it's pretty messy. I hope this video can be a good motivation for you, and if you like and enjoy this video, I would like you like and subscribe to my channel. It's gonna help a lot my channel. And yeah, I will see you again. Bye guys. Okay guys, this is the beginning of this mess that I need to work with, and over here I have all of this stuff that they're gonna be donation. I've been working around the house to organize more and just donate whatever I don't need or I don't use anymore. I have all of this mail over here that I need to working with, and I have stuff from my last order I did with Grow Collaborate. And yeah, this is how everything looks on my cabinets and all of the dishes that I need to put away on my cabinets. And I need to do the floor, so let's just get started.